Thank you. It is holiday shopping really the easy way. You buy it online, the box is left right there at your front door.
And that can make your house, unfortunately, an easy target for thieves. Tonight, WBZ's Kathryn Hauser shows us a simple device that may keep your gifts from getting swiped.
There's nothing better than a home delivery to avoid the holiday crowds. But while many of us are busy at work, the doorbell goes unanswered and the package sits sometimes for hours.
There are suspects that go out there. They'll follow FedEx trucks, they'll follow UPS trucks. It's really a problem.
But now you can answer your door even when you're not home.
So if someone rings the doorbell, it will ring on your cell phone.
It's called Ring. Benjamin Levy has one at his front and back doors.
Do you need a signature?
Yes, I do.
I can talk to the UPS guy and ask him to put the package in another location if I want, or to leave it with a neighbor that I know is home.
But this device is not just about protecting your packages. According to WBZ security analyst Ed Davis, it could prevent a thief from breaking in.
They'll ring a doorbell, they'll knock on the door. They may go to a rear door and bang on that door to see if anyone comes, and when no one shows up, they feel comfortable in forcing the door.
Levy is convinced he stopped a burglar from entering his home.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Excuse me, do you know where it is, like the Beverly Center is?
Sorry, I don't have a way to help you.
Oh, okay.
It was clear that he was just making up an excuse for having rung the doorbell and hadn't expected anybody to be answering it.
There's also a social media site called Nextdoor that helps neighbors keep a watchful eye on each other's homes. The site also allows homeowners to share surveillance footage. Nextdoor is free. The Ring doorbell is $200 with a $30 annual fee to record and store video of all the activity at your door.
People are paying a lot more money than that to have their premises monitored. So this is limited to the front door. It doesn't cover the whole house, but I think it's very helpful.
According to Davis, the footage can also help catch thieves. And because the camera is lower than traditional surveillance cameras, it can get a much better view of the suspect's face. I'm Kathryn Hauser, WBZ News.